Hamza, provide me with a device with internet. I will give you the proof right now.
No, I cannot calculate it at this point.
Education report. It is not said by a single individual person. It is said by a
And actually, you have tell that government school not provide quality education. So how you can tell that government is not provide quality education, and how quality education come to the government school?
My friend Hamza, 57%.
I'm talking
Let's go back to the
this is
previous
question
question.
to ask.
So I told you the data given by UDICE in 2000. It is implemented in 2010, and the UDICE gave a data to 2010 to 2016 that there are 68 teachers are allotted to government school who used to teach them, but there are 11 to 12 teachers, 11 to 12 lakh teachers who are not able to teach them, who are nothing in the world name called a degree.
You know the procedure of to become a teacher? After qualification, you have to do B.Ed, BTC, TET, UP TET, Super TET, lots of many things. And you know the real data of that. Last year, in 2015, the government dismissed the many teachers, 1,72,000 teachers of Shiksha Mitra, who are not able to teach.
So why were they employed in the first? Why were they given proper pay?
Shiksha Mitra are employed in 2000 on the basis of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. On that time, they are very capable to give education. But nowadays, we know that the education quality is improved. That's why they are not able to
Listen.
fight.
Okay, for a minute, they teach in that.
Yes.
For a minute, I assume that government provide a deadline to teachers till 31st March 2015.
You are wrong.
Who are not able.
You are wrong. The deadline, the RTE law specifies that the teacher at elementary level who did not have minimum qualification should attain it by 31st March 2019. 2019. At that time,
That is
so on which basis you can extend it
It's
at
2015. Okay, for a minute, I assume that. Okay. So if you are aware, if government is aware that the teachers are not educated, then how you can implement the act in 2009? You can implement the act. You should implement the act in 2019. Why you implement the act in 2010?
If you implement the right to education act in 2019, what about our literacy rate?
If you are fully
The
about
literacy rate is not everything. The quality of
No, she's saying that if we implemented that in 2019, what about our India? What about the future of our
In the
India?
international employment market, it is the quality of the education that matters. It's not the economic.
I can ensure that every student gets quality education. It is not talking about the literacy rate. So if you are the quality of education,
you are talking about quality education. Then let
Have you heard what Aks is saying? Have you heard it?
She is saying that the quality of education is
No,
not good.
no. Aks is saying that if the right to education is not ready, to why we not implemented in 2019?
Yes.
If we implement this act in 2019, what about our literacy rate?
Yes.
And what about India? What
How
about
many
India?
students from that?
First I have to complete.
Completed.
You telling the case of IS?
Yes.
He's taking their education in the primary level in 2009 or 10. If the act is implemented in 2019, well, then how it become the IS?
yes.
And you know IS is toughest exam of India.
So why are the students migrate from public school to private school? It is not only in three states: Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. It is not the Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra closed its government schools about 24,000.
Reservation is the word I would like to bring here. Reservation.
It's not.
If I
Not true. It's not true.
Seek point here. Let me seek my point here. You are saying IS examination. What is the surname? Gautam.
It's not true.
I'm pretty
It's
sure
not
she
true.
is.
Because it's fighting in general category, not
Let
a.
me clear that there is no reservation in mains and interview examination of IS.
Show me something that can prove that. I don't think that is pretty
Really?
Yes.
There is no reservation in mains and interview examination of IS.
But after that, is there a reservation?
No. After that,
There is no reservation.
IS reservation. For
Only the brightest
For what
students-
reservation
only
are
the
you talking
brightest
about?
students go there, yes. And if there is even 1% reservation, those are not the brightest students who are going to IS.
Why the enrollment of the government school fell down from 1.8 crore? If your quality of education is very good, then why the enrollment of students in government school is fell down dramatically from 1.8 crore students? In 2000, it is data given by UDICE in 2010 to 2015 data.
The enrollment has increased almost 100%. In 2018, it was 7.2%.
Average students is 103 to 100. 130 to 100.
You're wrong. Why?
If
this report is wrong, UDICE report is wrong.
How you can prove
Yes.
How you can prove me that I am wrong? How you can prove me that I am
Samiksha,
wrong?
if you are not agree with the statement about Fatima,
Sir, it is not my statement.
if you oppose the point,
I am also. It is not my statement. It is given by a statement UDICE. You know about UDICE? Unified
if you are
District.
not satisfied with the
This is
opponents,
information.
if you oppose the statement of
Education
Fatima,
system
then
given by-
please tell
Take
everything
the
about
name
it.
of
The
it.
enrollment has increased almost 100%.
How can you say that?
In
How can she
2018,
say that?
She is quoting a proper report with a proper source. What source do you have?
UDICE, it is a government resource who provide the information about education system.
you have an
I am not saying
I'm
by
taking
me.
the report of Oxfam India. According to Oxfam India, the enrollment rate has increased 100%, almost 100%. In 2018, it was 97.2%, and
But I am telling you about the
I am also
rate in
giving a report. I am also giving
2015.
report. I am also giving this wrong. You can't ignore my
Whatever he has provided.
And let me ask about private institutions. What is the purpose of private
What is the
institutions?
philosophy of
Oh, we are not yet. We are not
Manisha,
talking
why are you
about-
studying
we are
in
not
private
taking care
institutions?
about-
Why are you saying that students are transferred to public school, private school? Why are you taking this point?
Because if you are providing a quality education for poor section, then why the poor section students?
You cannot tell completely that the education
The
is not
purpose of
quality
quality.
education.
What is
In
the
some of
purpose?
these schools, the quality education is better than the private
Quality
school.
education
Yes,
that
it's
you
true.
study in Harvard University. Okay.
Listen me. If quality is good, then why the people who have government job, why they send their students to private
Samiksha, you just said
school?
that what is the purpose of private schools?
Yes,
Just
only money.
just like
Only
it's like
money.
why are you giving that money
Money,
here? Why are you
business.
giving that money here? Why are you studying in a private school? Why don't you just go to the government
I'm
school?
sorry, but it's my personal interest and
No.
let's don't
If the government schools have better education, you should go there. That
You
is
get
my
a
opinion.
you get a
My
quality.
father is a government
I can
officer.
afford it.
Why
I
cannot
can
I?
afford it.
Government
That's
school
why.
provide quality
You
education.
just said that money. Why are you
You
wasting
are
your money?
Rick,
Why are you wasting
Yes.
money?
Right to education is a free and compulsory education for the backward class.
Yes.
Yes.
If
Caste?
I
Caste is
Not
caste and who are suffering from financial crisis, if I am
anyone can go.
if I am not able to pay the school fees, and if I also and my parents is not able to pay the fees, and I am
Amna, you should
suffering
know
from
that.
financial
There is
crisis,
some
then I have no any.
Amna, you should know that it is not compulsory. Like only backward class students
Yes,
can
yes,
go there.
yes.
Everyone can go there.
Yes, yes. I agree with
Why
your
are you not
point.
going there?
I agree
Why
with
are
your
you not
point.
going there?
I am telling that if I am suffering from financial crisis, then I have no any shame to go in the government
What
school.
I am trying to say here,
Either you have
Amna,
told that public school are providing better education than private school, then why you don't go? Okay, leave the topic of money. If it is providing
Quality education.
then
Why you are here?
leave the topic
Why
of
you are
money.
wasting
Talk
your
about
money
our
and wasting
school,
your
there is
time?
There is lots of students.
Because government schools
Listen,
are
Amisha,
Listen me first.
We have to give you an answer.
Government school
No,
is providing good
CBSE
education.
school is not a matlab,
This private
government school is not providing a quality education. You agree? No,
No,
CBSE.
not agree, not
Only CBSE school providing a quality education. That's why you are here. You said
Can we say our answer? Can we say our answer? Can we say our answer?
towards our school, there is lots of parents who have
not
tell me why you are here.
even the teachers who are teaching in those schools send their children to the private schools. Why are you trying to fool yourself here?
In private
Yes.
schools, students are taken as investment only investment.
So why you are just here? Why? There is lots of students in our school whose
Is it
parents
matter of only me?
Public school teachers
I'm
don't
giving
take-
an example.
Ashraf, there is a great level between the.
education.
Can I speak my? Can I say my point?
Let
Yeah.
me complete my.
Can I say my
First
points?
answer me.
Can I say my points?
Okay, Saloni, let it complete.
There is a
Cool down.
different level between the private school and government school.
That's-
But we cannot say that government school that is not providing quality.
Why is there? Why is there
I'll give
a?
you an example, and it is not said by me, it is said by you guys. And because of this, wait a minute,
Guys,
wait
use the
a
word, okay,
minute.
personal.
If I